Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, the Stock Analyst. What a day for ticker symbol IDEX for the company Ideonomics. So this morning I posted a post in my community board on my YouTube channel that do you want a video on IDEX, because I was predicting a large move. Then I went outside, now I came home and I can see the share price has increased by 10%. It did not wait for me, but anyway, this is not the end because this particular company has a long way to go. So stay tuned till the very end, because in this particular video I'll talk about the price target, the price action, support, resistance, some important event which might impact the share price tomorrow, also about the company, and finally some call option if you are interested. So stay till the very end, and if you find this video useful, please do not forget to hit the like button, and also do not forget to subscribe to my channel, because I think this is the stock I will be covering over and over again. So if you are an investor for this particular company, stay with me till we make our price target. So first of all, you can see that we made the day, we started the day like below 2.8, we came down, and what a day, we started below 2.8, we went all the way to 3.1, 3.12. I'm recording the video around 3:45 standard time. We have 15 more minutes, but we will see how far we can go. So why it is increasing? So first of all, most probably you know that on April 14th, Roth Capital, they has changed their rating to buy, and also they announced a price target of 7. So current price is around 3, and if the price target is 7, then you can double your money. Very good. So I'm not going to cover this particular article because this is an old article. The most important thing is price target of $7. Let's look at the price action. I will come back to the price action again, but the most important thing is you can see how volatile the stock on a daily side. It went up, came down, it took a long time to come back. Again, it hit 5.5, then consistently it is coming down. And I'm tracking this particular stock. You can see the two black line. So the share price is moving within this band, and this is a large band, but with the time progressing, you see the two black lines are converging, meaning that it is squeezing, and sometimes it can go either way. It can come down, it can come to the bottom, or it can come and break that line and go up. So the good thing is this company is really doing good. The last earning was excellent. It was a very good one. They are also coming up with very good positive news. So why it will come down? It's supposed to go out. So if you haven't started a position yet, I think this is a confirmation. It might come down tomorrow because today was a big candle, but as long it is here, or it moves sideways, or it moves upward, it means that it has broken that particular pattern. But this is a very good confirmation. So what I was doing, I was holding my shares around this area, and today I sold half of my share. And I'm telling why. Even though I'm very bullish, I'm saying why, because this, I want to get the confirmation. It might come down again, or it might move sideways, but tomorrow there's a big event. I think Powell will deliver a speech tomorrow, and it might impact the share price, because that will be a big event, and depending on the speech, it can impact the overall market, the inflation things, and bond rate. So many things can happen. And also I'm just looking at the chart, because normally when it hit the upper black line, it comes down. That is why I cut half of my position. If it comes down, definitely I will get back in. Otherwise, if it goes sideways or it goes up, I will re-enter again, because entering at $3 or 3.2 is not a big deal, because it can definitely go up to $7 as per Roth Capital, or to me at least it can go up to $5-6 again. So 20 cents does not bother me. So also from the chart, look at some important points. So it came around this area. I think that this area 2.5, maybe you can say. So 2.5 was some kind of bottom, right? So after 2.5, I was eyeing around $3. You can see the $3 area, it was resting around 3. Today we broke 3, and currently we are at 3.12. So we can move sideways, or we can come back to 3 again. But if it come back to 3 again and it rests over $3 and move sideways, I'm happy. I will just re-enter again. Otherwise, if it just keeps going up, I think that's the next one around $3.5. You can see some resistance here, also some previous resistance here. So we could not break 3.5. So once 3.5 is broken, then definitely we have more room to go higher. then it will be $4, and after 4 you can see 5.5. Don't forget we had 5.5 in beginning of February, then after the correction and also the market rotation, everything brought this stock down. But the share price is really promising because the company is doing good, their last earning was good, so why the share price will come down? The only thing is I sold some of my position just to get more stock at a cheaper price in case it comes down. Other than that, I'm very excited with this particular stock. So why don't you subscribe to my channel if you like my videos? Then just very easy, just click on the like button, and if you like the video, click the subscribe button, click on the bell notification, and click on all if you really want to get all of my notification whenever I post a video. Otherwise you will be subscribed but you will not see what I'm posting. I also have a Twitter page, the name is simple, the Stock Analyst. You can go and you can join me. I also have a profile in stockwith.com and also the same name but with the underscore, the Stock Analyst underscore. This is for Stockwith. I think most of the people use it for chatting. You can see Stockwith. So anyway, let's go back to the main action. Now let's look some other things here. So what is Ideonomics? So I just checked their website. They have changed the entire look of their website, and it looks really nice, light and very refreshing. So what are they? Basically they have two sections. One is Ideonomics Mobility and the other one is the capital side. And the most important thing for this one is the mobility and the EV, because this is an electric vehicle related company. And you can see they have a wave charging, which is a Wi-Fi wireless charging. So this has a very good potential in future, and it says powering the largest wireless fleet in US. They also have accelerating commercial EV adoption in China, MAG. They have SolarTrack. They are America's first manufacturer of electric tractor. Then they have another one, real estate. And if you go to their full portfolio, they have few more things. So they are the world's leading manufacturer of high performance electric motorcycle. You can see all electric here. Then it also talks about medium and heavy duty EV, and I think there is one more. Yeah, the tractor, I talked about it. So, and also the bike and wave. So you can see different names with this particular company and why they have different names. You can see the article here. Let me find it. So I think it talks somewhere here. So in its current iteration, Ideonomics is a diversified conglomerate. However, its most exciting business segment is electric vehicle division. Under the segment, the company provides group purchasing discount on commercial electric vehicle, EV batteries, and electricity, as well as financing and charging solution. Also, what are they? They love to acquire different companies. So they do not own all the companies. So they have make acquisition of different companies. And this article has like many names, like what are they doing and everything. So let's see some other news here. If you go to their investor web page, you can see that IDEX to ring Nasdaq closing bell, closing our earthquake, some good news, right? And also this is important when you look their last earning, and why I was saying I'm so bullish on this particular stock, because revenue for the year for 2020 was 26.8 million with sequential quarter-over-quarter growth, demonstrating the growth strength of IDEX business. EV revenue in 2020 was 19.5 million versus 2.7 million in 2019, an increase of 16.8 million or more than 600%. This is important. The 2020 revenue included our first sale of charging and battery system as part of our EV ecosystem. So they are coming up with a big EV ecosystem, right? They have electric vehicle, then the charging and battery system and everything. And one important thing is you see the growth of 600%. It was only because of the EV revenue, but they have something else. We expect revenues from charging system to grow as Wave, our inductive charging business acquired in January 2021. So the last earning did not include any revenue from Wave, but when the next earning will come, which will be in May 17th, I think you will see more revenue from that. So definitely a good thing. Some other news you can see, as I told, like recently they invest in Italian electric motorcycle company, Energica Motor Company. So they are also tapping on electric motorcycle. and also you can see they have delivered e-tractor to first Hawaii customer, blah blah blah, and also the 3 Technologies Inc. deal to supply 200,000 e-motorbike to Indonesia. So again, this is the IDEX thing, right? So it's a multi-year deal, sees a minimum of 10,000 unit in 2021, then it will be 90,000 unit in 2022 and 100,000 unit in 2023. In total 200,000 in next 3 years. And again, if everything goes good, then it will be a ongoing deal, and the total deal value is 274 million. So you can see like all the good things, like, so they come up with a big vision with the EV ecosystem. They are acquiring many companies and they are coming up with some good numbers. So definitely I see a very good future for this particular company, especially when the next earning will come around 17th May. I think they will blast the revenue and it will just go up. Don't forget, it has a price target of $7, but my price target is for now 5.5. So again, look at the chart here. If it comes back, grab more share. It might come back to $3 again. If not, then definitely it's a good sign. But this is my confirmation. It went below the black line here, but it recovered. It's a big green candle, so you can see the buying pressure, and currently it is trying to break the upper one. Once it is broken, I think it will go even higher. But anyway, if you're a long-term investor, then do not worry, because this thing will double. Definitely yes. And last of all, if you want to play some call option, so what's your target? First of all, for a call option, you can look around 5.5 or you can look around $4. So take some time. What about taking some July 16 expiry date, which will give you 79 days to expire, right? So if your target is around $4, so you can take the strike price of 3.5 and premium is 0.5, your break even is $4, your IV is not that much, you are just spending $50 and you will have 79 days and your delta is 51. If you want, you can go more in the money. What about spending $100? Take 250 strike, so your break even is around 3.5. The current price is around 3.12. Your delta is 73. If you are very certain that it will move, I would suggest go with $2 or $2.5 strike, because the delta is high, so you will get more money as long as the share price goes higher and higher again. Other than that, if you are really long and you want to play a leap option, you can try to 2023 January 20th and just spend, like, let's say $200 or $180. So basically 3.5 plus 1.8 is like 5.3. If you look at the chart, we had touched 5.5. so if you think in next 2-3 years it can go up to 5.3, then why not just spend the money and forget about this stock and let it grow. You will have 632 days to expire, right? And just sit there, and the delta is 78, so $1 increase in the share price will give you $78. So spend the money and forget about IDEX. You will be controlling 78 shares, so basically 78 means, like, with spending $180 you will have the benefit of 78 shares, let's say. So again, it's up to you how you want to play. Currently I'm just holding shares and I might buy some leap call option. That is why I'm showing you the options, because I just want to buy and I forget. But again, watch the market tomorrow. If in case it comes down, grab more share. I am just offloading some of my position today. Doesn't mean I'm bearish on this particular stock. I'm bullish, but I just want to get lower average. It seems like it might come down. It's a big day, and again, like, the speech from Powell tomorrow can impact the share market. And also look here, right? Back to back 2 weeks we are green. So normally when you have some few green weeks, you might get a red day and the share price can come down. So that is why I was offloading and nothing else. So anyway, my friends, the whole purpose of this video is to share my thoughts, the bull case for IDEX, and how I'm playing with this particular stock. If you find any of the information I shared in this particular video, at least leave a like button, and also you can subscribe to my channel, because this is a channel where I love to bring the stock which will grow definitely, and also which are about to explode. So I look at the technical pattern and I come up with call options and share and support and resistance, so that we can all make money. So anyway, my friends, thank you again for watching this particular video. Take care and peace.